Hi, today we will be covering substitution in algebra. In the previous video, we mentioned that algebra is just used to represent any unknown number in a mathematical expression. So in today's topic, it's going to be fairly simple as long as we get one thing straight, which is that to substitute basically just means to replace. That means that given any expression that has an unknown value, you can replace or substitute that with an appropriate value, and with that you can solve for the equation to find your answer, and it's as simple as that. So let's try out some exercises to practice. Question 1. Evaluate the following expression for x equals to 3. Question A. 2x minus 1 in brackets. So this question is just asking you for any algebra that you see in the expression, you just want to replace it with the number 3. So if you substitute 3 inside, 3 minus 1 in brackets, you get 2. 2 multiplied by 2, you get 4. And it's just about that, right? Let's just try another one. Question B. 10x over 6. Again, we're going to substitute x with the number 3. So 3 times 10 is 30. 30 divided by 6 will give you 5. Question C. 4x plus 2 in brackets divided by 7. Again, substitute 3, we get 4 times 3, which is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Okay, jumping to the next question. What is the value of each expression when a equals to 3, b equals to 5, and c equals to 2? So this question is slightly difficult than the other one because we are going to be substituting 3 values into the expression. But the logic is the same. We're going to do the replacement and then we're just going to simplify and solve the questions based on what we replace into it. Alright, so let's just start with question A. 3b minus 2 in brackets a plus c. So b is going to be 5, a is 3, c is 2. So 3b, we got 15. In the brackets, a plus c is 3 plus 2, so that's 5. Multiply by 2, you get 10. So 15 minus 10, you get 5. Question B. A square plus c square. So a square is 3 square, c square is 2 square. So 3 square plus 2 square is equals to 13. Let's try another one. Question C. 3bc divided by AC. So 3 times b, which is 5, times c, which is 2. So 3 times 2 times 5, that is equals to 30. And a times c is equals to 3 times 2, which is 6. So 30 divided by 6, you're going to get 5. Okay, so that was pretty easy. Let's just try out with another question. Question 3. The formula for finding the perimeter of the rectangle is P equals to 2 in brackets L plus B, where L represents the length and B represents the breadth of the rectangle. Find the perimeter of the rectangle if A. The length is 12, the breadth is 9, B. The length is 2.5 meters and the breadth is 1.5, C. The length is 20 centimeters and the breadth is half as long. So I'm going to let you try these questions up and I'm going to display all of the answers and workings after this. So pause the video if you need some time and then check back your answers after that. Okay, so these are the workings and these are the answers to these questions. Hopefully you are able to find them and you manage to understand this chapter. It's a pretty simple chapter, but it is also a very important one because in future questions, when you are asked to form expressions, the next thing after you form expressions, you are going to definitely substitute something into it. Alright? Because without substituting anything, you can't solve it anyways. So make sure you understand everything, and that is it for this chapter covering substitutions in algebra. For any concerns or questions, you can check the description box or leave a comment, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.